Now we have created a box plot of our data in our previous video, and let's do a little bit of summary of the data to get a feel what the data actually look like. So we can use the summary function in R. So summary of the data. And let's see what we get with this. So we get the minimum of the data, that's 1. We get the maximum, that's 8. We get the first quartile, that's 2.75, so that's this one here. We get the median, 4.5, that's this one here. And the mean, we also get 4.5, and the third quartile, 6.25. Now, one needs to understand the way R is actually calculating these quartiles. It will take the median. So if we look at the data here, the median would be the middle value. So that would be between 4 and 5. So that's the mean and the median. And for the quartile, for the first quartile, it uses the inclusive method. We can also calculate the interquartile range, which is very useful because the interquartile range is the third quartile minus the first quartile. So we can do that very nicely in R. So IQR of the data. And let's see what we get. So the IQR is 3.5. And that is basically the difference between the third quartile, that's this number here, and this number here. So the interquartile range is the entire range here. And this interquartile range is a very useful descriptor for the span of the data, for the range of the data, for the dispersion of the data, we can say. And it is very often used for finding and determining outliers.